Hello everybody and welcome back to Mackenzie's Kitchen. My name is Faye Mackenzie. So I hope you are all doing well, you are keeping safe, and God has been good to you. So it's another new day with another new recipe. I hope you are all going to like it. So today we are going to make Vishete. So in case you are new here, kindly consider hitting that subscription button and turning on the notification bell so that each time we upload a new video, you are the first one to get notified. So let us go straight to our ingredients. So here is all we need to make Vishete. This is melted butter. In here we have a mixture of salt. This is cardamom and grounded ginger. We also have 1 egg. We have sugar. We have flour. This is self-rising flour. And finally we have cooking oil. So step 1, I'll just put my oil in the pan and let it heat. Step 2, I'm going to mix up the flour, iliki, tangawizi na chumvi. This is my melted butter. My egg. And a little bit of sugar. A little bit sugar. So I'm just going to mix them all together nicely. So after mixing them evenly, we are going to add some water. It's warm water. Just a little bit because we don't want our dough to be very fine. So our dough is very much ready. So on the other hand, I'm going to make our sugar syrup. In a pan, I'm going to put sugar. Put in some water. We are now making our dough. The dough should not be too thin or very thick. It should just be medium size. Now I'll start cutting it up. Into small squares. So we shall start deep frying them, and kindly ensure that your oil is not very hot, because when it's too hot they will burn before they are well done. Another thing to consider is that you should be very gentle in turning them around. So I love them when they have this color. We are very much ready. I'm just going to transfer them into this bowl. So round 2. So in my sugar syrup, I'm going to dip these ones. Then I start mixing them up. So you keep stirring until you ensure everything is well covered in the syrup. Meanwhile, my heat is still on, so it doesn't matter. turning your Vishete until the sugar is completely brown. So this is how they look like. I'll just cut one, tuone ndani, ndani inakaa hivyo, and I'll taste it. This is very nice and yummy and very sweet. So thank you very much for watching. Kindly ensure that you subscribe, share, like and comment, and also try making your own Vishete at home. Bye bye. See you on our next video.